Hello everyone, today we would like to present our project titled IoT Based Sign Language Translation System for Inclusive Learning. My name is Firly and this project was developed together with Marcel Nebaho. Let me begin with the background. Communication is still challenge for deaf students because many teachers cannot use Visindo. And sign language interpreters are not always available. As a result, learning becomes less effective and less inclusive. To address this issue, we developed Bridgecom, an AI IoT powered system that translates Visindo hand gestures into text in real time. Our goal is to reduce communication barriers and support inclusive learning. Next. Now, let me explain how the system works. A USB camera captures the user's hand gestures and sends the data to a Raspberry Pi. Using MediaPep hands, the system extracts hand landmarks while an LSTM model recognizes the gesture sequence and predicts the correct Visindo word. The prediction is then processed by the Fast API backend, stored in a local SQL database, and displayed through a RAG-based interface. Administrators can also access a web dashboard to manage user and monitor the system. In short, Bridgecom combines AI, IoT, and web application to provide real-time sign language translation. Next, I will explain our development methodology. Next. Okay, we use the CDIO framework with iterative prototyping. First, we identified the problem and project requiremends. Then we designed the system architecture, hardware, database, and interface. After that, we developed an integrated AI model, backend, and frontend. Finally, we tested the system, evaluated its performance, and improved it based on our user feedback. That's all from my part. Next, I would like to hand over the presentation to my teammates Marcel, who will explain the implementation and testing results.
Okay, let us begin with our technology stack. On the hardware side, we utilize a Raspberry Pi 4 as our edge computing device paired with a USB camera for visual input and monitor for output. On the software side, the front end is built with using React for a responsive user interface, connect a Fast API backend. The AI core is leveraged is MediaPep for hand landmarks extraction and TensorFlow to run the trained LSTM model with OpenCV managing image processing and SQLite handling local data storage. Okay, next. So this is translation workflow. Moving to on the translation workflow, the system operates in highly structured sequential flow. It begins when a user performs a Visindo gesture, which is immediately is captured via image acquisition. This video stream is fed into AI recognition model where MediaPep track 21 hand coordinate and LSTM model interpret the motion build error handling, ensure that unrecognized gesture trigger a similarity on gesture is successful, recognize text generation convert into readable, which is instantly displayed on the monitor or logo into our admin system. Next. This is for the system demonstration. Now let us look. The system demonstration is this is our translation page designed to capture live sign language and translate into a text in real time. Operating complex AI models directly on the convert edge optimize the processing speed at approximately is 15 frames per second or the FPS, while the introduced minor lag is represent is crucial architecture choice the greatest complete. The landing page and admin login. This is the admin login and landing page. This is the dashboard admin for the manage to activity log and the system. So this is the tools, the demonstration, and this conclusion This is successful development and IoT and AI-based science language translation system, enable real-time gesture-to-text translation, and validates serve functional and support inclusive education. This is our documentation with manager project, and that's all is the lead with words connect with purpose. Thank you for the presentation.